I'm Mabel. Mark is my human. I spend a lot of time in his studio watching him. He says he's some kind of creative guy. What that really means is he sits at his desk all day long instead of having a real job. At least he's always around to fill the kibble up. Mark's new book is called Castle Gesundheit. What? I know. Castle Gesundheit? I'm just happy he finally has a book with cats in it. I mean, he has books with chickens and barbarians and aliens and books about Thanksgiving and giants without pants and a book about a book. Again, what? He worked on this book for about 1.5 years. I could have made 10 books in that time, but no one ever asks Mabel to write a book. It's a picture book. How do you make a picture book? I have no idea. I'm a cat. But he does a lot of sketches, revises it for months, and gets notes from agents and editors about his mistakes and revisions, and then he draws it and paints it on his computer. Castle Gesundheit, out in November from Candlewick Press. Castle Gesundheit has over 600 cats in it. Really? How can it not be an awesome book? Well, I mean 600 drawings of cats, not real cats. That would be weird. And remember, if you get the book, look for me. Look for Mabel.